How to create a circle picture in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Word application. After that, open a blank document, then insert a picture. After adding the picture, what you will have to do is go to layout, select the picture and then go to layout or format and drag down this option and then select the size or the shape that you want. And now it is a circular picture. You can also edit it like this, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.